Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to tag people within your Instagram story. So let's begin. First, start creating the story, and to do that, look on the upper right corner. Do you see that camera? If you tap that, you take you to the where you create the story. So let's say if I want to tag somebody in a story like this, so I'll take the picture, and say if I want to tag somebody in this. What I have to do is tap on where it says, do you see on the upper right corner? So once you have started the story, take the picture or video, whatever you're doing. Look on the upper right corner. Do you see the text, the A, capital A and lowercase a? Tap on that. And then once you're here, start with putting the symbol at. And then when you type in any name, when you start typing letters, the names will come up. Say if I want to tag, let me say I want to tag 50 Cent. Okay? If I write a name with the at, because since his name came up, that means that's an actual person, an actual Instagram user. So if I tap that, it tags them into the story. Okay? Now, once I have done that, I can just go ahead and edit to my story. Blah, blah, blah. And then now when I open my story, if I tap on his name, see, I have the ability of going to his page. That's how you tag people in your Instagram stories. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.